Hey guys, short vlog. Should you buy a Tesla? I would not buy a Tesla today because A, I hear Teslas are notoriously prone to breaking, things breaking, knobs flying off, etc., etc. I've heard this anecdotally from various people, and I've also heard that they're having major production problems. And apparently, on occasion, when you smash a Tesla, all the batteries can blow up. I would wait a few more years because I think that the major car companies, BMW, Audi, Volkswagen, Porsche, Ford, etc., they're all coming out with their own hybrid cars and electric vehicles. And frankly, I think they're just going to be better made because they're created by companies that really know how to make cars. So I have no interest in buying a Tesla at this time. Also, I just don't like the limited range that they have. I don't like the fact that it takes 25 minutes to recharge. I think that for the next, 5 years or so, I think the better choice would be a hybrid car so that you're not dependent on electricity and having to recharge your car. The infrastructure in North America, at least, is not there yet. With the exception of maybe if you're just driving within a city, then you're probably pretty cool then. That's it for now.